1 week later, guys, look at this tank. This was my new tank a week ago. Would you believe it? Looks like it's been running for months. These guys absolutely love it. And we've got a nice deep substrate for them. It's a combination of artificial and real, and it's doing amazing. And because the filter wasn't functioning properly, I decided to chuck a bit of nature into that one, just like that. So stay tuned and let's watch how this tank develops. 1 week, the fish went straight in, no issues. The power of nature, guys.